Thank you for joining us today on Digital Atoms. In today's video, we will be installing and preparing the Rimetrix Orbital wheel covers. At time of purchase, I paid $269 and $30 in shipping, so it came out to a total of $299. So let's go outside and let's get into it. See what's in the box. Some instructions. Looks like some caps. And there we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Inside the envelope, it does come with 20 of these foam strips. These foam strips are going to be installed along the outer rim, and I believe earlier versions did not come with them, and I think what they found is some of these little pieces, the plastic sticking out, were scratching up the rims. So there are 20 of them, 5 per rim. And essentially what you do is you start, instructions tell you to start at the valve here and put them around the rim. All right, and essentially we are going to peel them off. In order to preserve the adhesive on there, you want to try to avoid touching the adhesive with your fingers as much as possible. That way you don't get the oil. And if you just use, hold it with your one hand and guide it with the other around. Let's rotate it to the next one. And the 5th and last one on the first one. And then I'm just gonna go around and press it all down again to ensure a good seal. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other 3. Let's get this thing pulled off. This will be my first time to take it off, and from what I hear, it's a little tight, so don't be afraid to pull. Well, that was a little easier than I anticipated. Let's get our. We definitely want to line up your valve stem, and that should be your starting point. And then press them on. Then your last step would be to put the cap on. And you have these little nipples here, and you definitely want to line them up to the hole. that's it. Before I put more of them on, I'm just going to show you what it looks like when you have one of these Rimetrix Orbital wheel covers and your Aero wheels that come with your Tesla. The difference in them. I would say overall, if you're looking for something that is definitely darker than the gray Aero wheel covers that come with it, these Rimetrix Orbital wheel covers are very nice. I think they look they almost look like real rims, even though they're literally just plastic. Yeah. Make sure that you like and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so that if you want to receive a notification of any of our other videos in the future, and I'll put the links down below to order these, and we will see you on down the road. Adios.